Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file bankruptcy on an LLC. Filing for bankruptcy can be a complex process, but understanding the basics is crucial for any business owner. We'll cover the two main types of bankruptcy available to limited liability companies, Chapter 7 and Chapter 11. Knowing which path is right for your company involves careful consideration of your financial situation and future goals. Let's dive into the specifics to help you navigate this important decision with confidence and clarity. Chapter 7, Bankruptcy, is often referred to as liquidation bankruptcy. For an LLC, this means the business will likely be dissolved. A court-appointed trustee takes control of the company's non-exempt assets, sells them off, and distributes the proceeds to creditors. This process aims to provide a fair distribution to those owed money. It's a definitive step, usually taken when there's no viable path for the business to continue operating, leading to its formal closure. Chapter 11, Bankruptcy, offers a path for reorganization, allowing an LLC to continue its operations while restructuring its debts. Under this chapter, the business proposes a plan to repay its creditors over time, often with reduced payments or extended terms. This can be a lifeline for companies facing financial distress but possessing a viable business model. However, it's a more intricate and costly process, often involving extensive negotiations and court oversight to ensure a successful restructuring. Before making any decisions, it is absolutely essential to consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney. They can provide tailored advice based on your LLC's unique financial circumstances. You'll need to meticulously gather all relevant financial documentation, including a comprehensive list of assets, liabilities, and income. Remember, while an LLC generally protects owners from personal liability, there are specific situations, like personal guarantees, where this protection might not apply. Seek professional guidance to ensure the best outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.